The Seated Cable Pec Fly is an excellent isolation exercise that primarily targets your chest muscles to improve definition. By sitting down, you increase the stability of the exercise compared to a standing cable crossover, thus increasing the tension on the chest. Here's how to do it correctly. Set an adjustable bench between two cable columns with the backrest upright or slightly reclined for comfort. Attach a set of D-handles, then set the pulleys at shoulder height to align with your chest. Sit down with your back flat against the bench and feet firmly on the floor. Hold a D-handle in each hand with your arms extended out to the sides and elbows slightly bent with your palms facing forward. Slowly pull the handles in an arc-like motion toward each other in front of your chest. Keep your elbows slightly bent and focus on squeezing your chest muscles as you bring your hands together. Once your hands are directly in front of you, pause for a second and squeeze your chest muscles. Gradually reverse the motion, letting the handles return to the starting position with control. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.